Everybody, welcome to hot and sweaty Houston, midsummer, Carbon's DIY garage. Got the Impreza in the garage again. If you watched the first video I made on this car, kind of giving you the tour, you'll see that there are some rust spots on the body and a lot of plastic that is exposed on the rear bumper that could use some nice touch-up and paint. And that's what I'm doing today. So just to show you what I'm talking about real quick. It's fully functional. There's some rust going on up here that I guess I'm gonna have to figure out if I need to take care of or not. Not really sure. Down here on the back door, maybe it had an incident at some point, but got some rust going on there. Probably ought to take care of somehow. It's missing a trim piece. I know you can buy those. And that's not sure how they go on exactly, but might want to take care of that. And then the rear bumper area, some more rust in a few places where paint got scraped off. Again, weird rust spots. So instead of giving you a detailed blow-by-blow on how I did this work, because I am not a body work professional, it's really my first time. There's a lot of other resources out there that go in depth. I'm just going to show you a time lapse of some of the work that I did. Painting it or sanding it down first, putting some Bondo on a couple of spots that were pretty rusty, so got rid of the rust. Sand it all down, prime it, put some base coat on it, clear coat on it, and it all looked like this for the areas that I was working on. So like I said, I am not a professional. I'm not going to do a step-by-step. Hopefully the time-lapse kind of just showed, I don't know, a little bit of the work that was involved. My main goal is to get rid of the rust and to get rid of the ugly black plastic, try to make it look a little bit better certainly not professional. I think I met my goal, and yeah, I just wanted to give you an update on what's been happening with the Impreza as we try to get it back in a good shape and look halfway decent and mitigate the rust that we were seeing on the car. So hopefully you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, it's always appreciated. Drop any comments or questions in the comments, and until the next video, you guys take care and have a good one.